Now people are really reappropriating that symbol in that sense of a symbol of tolerance and inclusion.
Oh my God!
That's distinct from,
Holy shit!
The site will celebrate its 60th anniversary tomorrow, and it's an extra special Valentine's Day for Drake fans.
That almost just happened.
Drake and Party Next Door dropped at midnight.
What a shitty spot to try and do that. Come on, man. Jesus. Yeah, cut that guy off too. And 4 over? That's not even a turn lane! What the f is he doing?
Oh, and by the way, Lionsgate Bridge, one way each direction right now. That might be your ticket out of the west, out of the North Shore. Everyone passing through Vancouver, not that bad through Langley.
Is that you?
Yeah. She decided, she freaking ran the yellow. There was just a car accident there yesterday. She had lots of time to stop. Yo, it's a red light, bro. What are you doing? It's a red light, bro. What the fuck? What? Holy shit, dude! What an asshole. He almost actually clipped us. And now you're slowing down hard. Way to go, bud. You almost took us out for what? It's like, this isn't the fast lane. This is the HOV lane. He's riding that guy's ass too. What is this guy doing, man? Weirdo, man. Yikes. That car is not supposed to be there. Holy crap. Whoa! Jesus!
I wonder if she would babysit for us.
What if her
I should put her on our babysitting list. She's in high school.
836, partly cloudy, 15 degrees downtown.
Come on, man!
That's Anaya's dad.
Who it is, man?
I know, yo, he's driving dangerously. I'm saying I know who that is.
Yeah, I see Anaya everywhere. Anaya loves
I don't care if we're backed all the way f***ing up. Like, that's dangerous.
Yeah, dude.
Now, the two are at an impasse over pricing, and Loblaw says it has decided to delist all Folgers products. JM Smucker, which
Cabby cut that guy right off.
prices for warned earlier this
What the f are you doing? Jesus. Fucking clueless lady ran the fucking red. Or pretty damn close to red. Come on, dude. Like, how long does it take you to get in there? Like, if you cannot turn into a driveway, you need to go back to training, my friend.
But wait! There's more!
the hell is even that? Jesus, lady. Fuck. Like, the last guy, the truck, but her?
19 plus to play. Know your limit. Play within it.
CKWX is 1130 News Radio. Terry
What the f*** you doing, lady?
Number 1 for breaking news.
I'm Amy Beeman. Hurricane Erin is swirling over the warm waters.
Thanks for the
of
signal,
US
bro.
Mid-Atlantic, where storm watches and warnings are in place.
Whoa, 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 wrong way, lady. What are you doing? Sheesh.
Looks like some people have black and some people
What is going on here?
looks like some people have black. Yes, you see.
Sorry, bro. I only got plastic.
Some plastic?
My wife would kill me, bro.
$5 bill?
Excuse me, guys. Gotta pick up my wife from work.
$5 bill?
No, sir.
No, sir. No. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Take care.
$5 bill?
Why were they talking to us? Did they think they can trick us?
Yep. Alright, those are all the clips I have for you today. What did you think of some of the drivers out there? Timestamp it in the comments section below. I'd love to see what you think. And if you want to know whenever we're on the road again with a new video here on the channel, go ahead and beep the subscribe button. Now drive safe out there, and I'll see you down the road.